Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Temu Tuesday. Welcome to my channel, and I have some items from Temu, and a lot of them are kitchen items, but I have some other items as well. I just have a lot of Temu piled up that I haven't shown you, so I thought, well, let me show you because some of this I want to get to using. So I'm gonna start off with, let's do the non-kitchen items because then I can show you that all together. Of course, you know, I can't pass up the cute stuff. This is a cat toy. And it's just a little, you know, it's just like a little pillow. I don't think there's any catnip on it or anything, but I can, you know, put some catnip on it or rub it in the catnip, you know. Or one of my wonderful subscribers taught me that you can put a Ziploc bag with a toy in it and some catnip, and then it'll permeate the toy. And it feels just squishy, nice, and it's supposed to be a vegetable. So is it an eggplant maybe? I'm not sure, but look at it. Isn't it just too cute? I love it. So, and the cats, they have way too many toys, but when I'm shopping, always something cat related comes up. So then I thought this, oh, and that was 71 cents. And again, I shouldn't say again, I don't think I've said this yet, but I'm sure you've heard this 1,000 times. When you go shopping on Temu, you're not going to find the same exact price that I have paid. And sometimes you'll find better prices, and sometimes you'll pay more if you really want it. It's just up to you, but you can look through, it is it's sort of like Amazon, except that it's in China, and items, they'll have an item, and there'll be several different people that sell that item. So some will sell it cheaper and some will sell it more expensive. So you just have to know your prices and know what you want to spend. And you can just keep looking and looking, and you'll find great bargains. And I shop fairly regularly, so I don't know if this happens to everybody, but I get these lightning deals, and usually there's one or two, but sometimes there's a lot more than one or two. And I have a haul that I want to do eventually that is all lightning deals that were just rock bottom cheap. Here comes Blue. Okay, Blue, you can walk on through. I've got everything laid out. You don't need to be up here. Whoa. Sorry, Blue. Y'all, this is Blue. I'm going to put him down. Maybe he'll go down. Maybe. All right, anyway, so I got this cute thing because I needed something like this. This is going to go over the bar in your closet. And then this is going to hold belts, scarves, and this will stay stationary on the bar in the closet, and then this will turn. So you can put different things on here, and you can, you know, use several of them. So I just thought that was cute, and that was 28 cents. That's why, you know, otherwise I wasn't really looking for this, but it came up 28 cents. I'm like, I'll try it. So I like that. And then I got this crate. This was cute. I have a crate like this in my car, but it's way bigger than this. This is it. Isn't that adorable? This was 38 cents. And how this works is, I haven't put it together yet. You pull up the sides and pull up these sides, and then it's all going to snap together. You just have to figure out how it's going to snap together. It does snap together. Well, I had to figure that out. Once you figure it out, it's easy to do. It's just a matter of snapping it in. And I did do 3 sides. I might not be able to do it. Takes a little practice. There it goes. There it goes. And then the crate itself has these 4 little pins that you can then stack them if you wanted to. But it's cute, and it holds things, and then you can fold it when you're not using it. It's good and sturdy once you got it snapped together. And Blue is trying so hard to get back up here, so come on, Blue. Come on through. All right, I want to show you these. These were just a few cents. These were 28 cents. I do like this little carry case. These are for your ears to block out sound. I use these kinds of things sometimes when I'm sleeping or if I'm not at home sleeping. And you can still hear things, your alarm and whatever, but you won't hear a lot of sound. So I do like that. Okay, Blue, he can't get comfortable. That's okay, good. Move it on. Move it on, cute stuff. Okay. And then I have this cute thing, or I shouldn't say this cute thing, this thing, I'm not sure how it's gonna work. So if anybody's tried it, please let me know. I do have, it came with instructions. This is a little instructional. This is what it looks like, okay? And what it's going to do is go on your hand and help you if you have a headache. It's an acupressure point pincher. I'm not sure what to call it. It says locate the acupressure point, and then you open this and put it on. And they're showing that it goes like this, I believe. Okay, so this is to help with a headache. So you leave it on there, you've got that pressure going on, it's supposed to help relieve your headache. So I thought that was a nice thing to carry in your bag if you are a person that suffers from headaches. And I do from time to time, so I wanted to try it. And it was 44 cents. So if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I have bought things from Temu that don't work, y'all. But, you know, that's another story. So now I have some things for the kitchen. I got these were just 88 cents. I cannot always find dimensions on the pictures. So I look at something, I'm like, oh, okay. Well, these are just, they were called kitchen towels. There's 10 of them. So one side is this mint green and the other side is pink. And these are very small. So you can use this for many things. They're very soft, like a washcloth, and it is stitched around the edging, so it's not going to fall apart, hopefully. Hopefully they will wash well. So I think you could use this to take your makeup off, to use your face cleansers and such like that if you wanted to, probably. But it did call them kitchen towels, so you can use these to wash your dishes and stuff like that. You can put this on a table and it'll soak up your drink. You know, there's different things you can do with it. So, you know, I like to keep a towel or something in my car, especially if I'm going to stop at a drive-thru or something. So something like this is good for me to have. And there's 10 of these. And I also thought these might be nice since they're soft. They'd be good for dusting. And then I'll see how they wash up, and hopefully they'll do well. So I thought those were nice, 88 cents. So, and here comes the train, y'all. I got another one of these because this was 6 cents. So whenever they offer me these, I do buy them. I did see somebody on another channel, one of the subscribers commented that it didn't work for them. So I wanted to show you it does work. I have used it myself. It comes in many different colors like this, you know, bright colors, easy to grab. So you're gonna take something with a lid and you're going to put this, I don't know if you can see, this side is more flush and then this side has indents, and you're gonna put this on your lid. So, okay, so this will go here and that fits in this hoop. And if I needed to, I could move it out a little bit, okay? So I'm gonna put it on there and get a good grip on it. And see, it opened my jelly. So, and smudge, I mean, blue just came through here, so there's a little fur. So it does work. I've used it for different sizes and I don't have a problem with it. Now, if you're holding it down here, it might not work. I think I did learn that, see, like, it does slip. You've got to get closer to your circle because you've got to hold it good and tight for it to work. See, and then it works. So maybe if you had trouble with it, if you haven't had trouble with it, try that, okay? But I think it's great for people like me who, as we're getting older, it's harder to open things. So, and who can pass up 6 cents? So like I said, whenever I see them at that price, I grab, if they'll let me buy more than one, I buy it. Because I can throw these in gift bags, you know, in giveaways for y'all, you know. So the same goes with the spatulas. I thought I had 2 here. These get moved around when you've got cats, I'm telling you. I did have 2 really cute spatulas, but I don't see them now. That might have been what fell earlier. Spatulas are here. Here it is. These are small, but these were 6 cents, maybe 8 cents. They have different colors. Sometimes when you go in, all right, it'll say 6 cents, okay? You go click on it. They'll have this color. They'll have green and red and yellow and whatever, different colors. And this one's 6 cents. Click on the next one, the yellow one, it might be $2.99. So you have to be careful. Don't put that in your cart. But now this is a really nice one. It has this edge here. See, they have different shapes. And then this one I love because this is like a spoon. So that can scoop things out of a jar for you. And, you know, so make sure when you're putting them in your cart, if you don't care about the color, I don't care about the color. And these are nice. They have something in them that makes the handle good and stiff. And then they're silicone. So they can take a lot of heat. I think silicone can take like 450 or 500 degree heat. So if you can use these in a saucepan. So they're really great to have, really great to have. And then I got this because I have seen lots of people get these. And my mom has these. And I've never had them myself. And this was 98 cents. 98 cents. These are called these silicone lids. And there's a set of 6. So you've got a big one. And see how they're thin. And then they have these tabs. And there's different sizes. So from the smallest little bowl to bigger bowls to the biggest bowl. And I think this one might fit. I brought a bowl over to show you. It has a cute little smiley face on it. It's thin, but it's good and strong. It's good silicone. I brought one of my CatLady bowls that I just got recently. And what you're gonna do, you know, you have a little leftover something, okay? And you just want to put it in the refrigerator, or you know, maybe you have some nuts or some candy and you just want to cover it up for a little while. This one's a little bit big, but it fits over it nicely. And you can get it to fit snug. I think you can pull it down and it'll fit more snug. There. And then when you're ready to take it off, you just use these tabs to pull it off so that it's easier to get off. So I thought that would be nice instead of wasting plastic wrap, you know, because our landfills are filled. Let's be kind to our planets. And then I got this cute little silicone. You can use this to put a hot pot on your table. You can grab a pot with this. You know, if you have a couple of them, grab a pot out of the oven. This was 68 cents. So I got a lot of good things. I have an egg separator. They have many. I have metal ones from them and I have plastic. This one happens to be plastic. I just like the color. It's a mint color. It's got some speckles in it. And this was 38 cents. Especially with baking times coming up with the holidays, I need egg separators. So they're good to have. 38 cents, y'all, 38 cents. And then this right here is, they call this a garlic, they're calling it a garlic press. It's not really a garlic press. But what you do with this is plastic. They have different styles. They have plastic, they have metal, which would cost more money. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put your garlic clove right in there. And then you're gonna use this stopper and you'll push down as you move it and it will grate on here. So you can use this for other things besides garlic. You can put your nutmeg in here and different things like that. And you'll hold this over and scrape it back and forth and drop your garlic or whatever you're doing into your recipe. So I thought that was nice for 78 cents. And I think I'm getting toward the end here. That might have been it, y'all. So I think that's what I have for now. That's all I have. So just a few things to show you. And I don't always participate in Temu Tuesday, but it's fun when I can. And I just really enjoy shopping there. And y'all, I know that y'all have seen some of the negativity on the news. You just have to decide for yourself. Temu, they're in a different country, so people immediately take offense to that or whatever. you don't think all these big companies that use our credit cards sell our names and addresses? Don't you get emails or even paper mail, something that you did not solicit, something that you did not ask for, that it's asking you to buy something or try something? So our names and our addresses get sold all the time. I've heard that people say, well, they got charged and from Temu. That's never happened to me, and I've bought quite a bit from them. And I look at my credit card statement. I look at my credit card statement regularly. So I am not surprised by charges on my credit card statement. So if you are diligent, you're going to be just fine. At least that's what I'm saying. Who knows what the future will bring? It's up to you to make your own decision about it. But I just wanted to say that. So if you're not interested in Temu, that's just fine. I'm not trying to push it on anybody. For me, I'm still having fun with it. So, and I like these products. I mean, this really is very helpful to me. And 6 cents. And I was able to buy quite a few of them. So a lot of people I know a lot of old folk, they're going to get these things from me for Christmas. So anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings, and y'all take care. Bye-bye.